Welcome to the University of Maryland, Baltimore, or UMB. 72 acres in the heart of Baltimore City, just beyond the historic Inner Harbor, devoted to higher education, research, clinical care, and community engagement. It all began here at Davidge Hall. Opened in 1812, it is the first building constructed for the university and the oldest building in the Western Hemisphere continuously used for medical education. Now the university includes 7 schools, each with its own mission to improve the human condition through healthcare and human services. The School of Medicine spans several buildings all across campus, with 43 academic departments, centers, programs, and institutes, including the Institute for Genome Sciences, the Institute of Human Virology, and the Center for Vaccine Development and Global Health. Internationally renowned for its cutting-edge research and discovery, the School of Medicine is the foundation of the university. The University of Maryland Francis King Carey School of Law is the second oldest law school in the country and has innovated programs that make it one of the liveliest and most dynamic in the nation. Through excellent teaching in both theoretical and practical methodologies, the school seeks to prepare students for productive leadership and professional roles in the law, public service, business, and government. As part of the school's commitment to giving back to the community, students in the law school's clinics provide over 75,000 hours of free legal service annually to those who lack access to justice or are unable to afford legal representation in the Baltimore area. Chartered in 1840, the School of Dentistry is the world's first college of dentistry and remains committed to leading the way in oral health education and research. Here, students prepare to become the oral health leaders of tomorrow through rigorous preclinical training, clinical experience with leading-edge technologies such as digital dentistry, and extensive opportunities for mentorship and research. The School of Dentistry is both part of a thriving academic health center and Maryland's predominant provider of comprehensive and emergency oral health services. Established in 1841, the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy is a thriving center for professional and graduate education, pharmaceutical care, research, and community service. Its faculty create the future of pharmacy by pioneering new roles for pharmacists in advanced clinical practice and conducting cutting-edge research in drug discovery and development, patient-centered outcomes, and disease management. In 2017, the school launched its exclusive Pharmapreneurship program, which describes the school's commitment to supporting and best positioning both faculty and students to achieve their career aspirations and address our nation's healthcare challenges. During its more than 130-year history, the University of Maryland School of Nursing has been a driving force, advancing the science of nursing through innovative research, engaging learning, and an unwavering commitment to the community. A nationally top-ranked school for both academics and research, the school is committed to recruiting and supporting a diverse student body. The University of Maryland School of Nursing has been an innovator and a model for other schools in simulation education for more than 2 decades. As the first nursing program in Maryland to be accredited by the Society for Simulation and Healthcare, the School of Nursing embraces simulated experiences, building competency and confidence, clinical skills, and decision-making abilities. The graduate school offers graduate education and training in biomedical, health, and human service sciences, offering MS and PhD degrees, as well as post-baccalaureate certificate programs in these areas of study. The graduate school offers dual degrees with the university's professional schools, including PhD MD, PhD PharmD, and PhD DDS degrees. The school also participates in interinstitutional studies in biochemistry and gerontology with other University System of Maryland institutions. Our 7th school, the School of Social Work, has grown to become one of the largest and most respected schools of social work in America. The school develops practitioners, leaders, and scholars to advance the well-being of populations and communities and to promote social justice. The Social Work Community Outreach Service, Promise Heights, Family Connections, and the Ruth H. Young Center for Families and Children are all very active in helping with the social work needs in Baltimore and beyond. Situated on the southern end of campus on Lombard Street, the Campus Center offers students, faculty, and staff state-of-the-art facilities in which to share a learning space or socialize. Whether hosting an event, dining, or taking a dip in the 5-lane swimming pool, the Campus Center is a hub for everyone to gather, learn, and relax. Baltimore's largest biotech cluster, the University of Maryland Biopark, fuels the translation of research and the commercialization of new drugs, diagnostics, and devices. The 14-acre research park brings much-needed laboratory and office space to West Baltimore and encourages collaboration among bioscience companies and the university. Home to 36 tenants employing more than 1,000 people, the biopark has brought jobs to West Baltimore as well as workforce training programs providing the community with pathways to employment or further education. The biopark campus includes the Maryland Forensic Science Center and the Maryland Proton Treatment Center, where the faculty from the Marlene and Stuart Greenebaum Comprehensive Cancer Center leverage the latest cancer-fighting technology to treat patients from around the world. Just down the street, the newly renovated Community Engagement Center offers the West Baltimore community an array of programs and services such as health screenings, job readiness counseling, community organizing workshops, and much more. Whether visiting for the day or planting lifelong roots, the city surrounding the university has something for everyone. Within easy walking distance to the south are both the Ravens football stadium and the Orioles ballpark. After a game, take a stroll and enjoy the many shops and restaurants at historic Federal Hill. Just to the east is the famous Inner Harbor, where the charm in Charm City is inescapable. Take a tour above the water on one of the 2 Spirit cruise ships, or dive below and see the wonders of the National Aquarium. Within driving distance to both Washington, D.C. and New York City, Baltimore, Maryland is at the center of the action, and the University of Maryland, Baltimore is at the heart of it all. Welcome to the University of Maryland, Baltimore.